Good evening again, me people. Good evening again, man. See it? A big day on the paper, so I don't know what going on for this evening dinner. Take a good look on this, me people. It's cornmeal. Yeah, it's cornmeal. And we have mixed vegetable. And we have all different type of sitting chicken noodle, cock noodle, or what you want to call it, pumpkin mix. Yes, my people, and we have a one broad bean. And over here, some turkey neck. So I'm going to cook some turkey neck and some ton cornmeal, people. So I'm not going to use no gungo this evening, you understand? But I'm going to quick cooking and even on my paper. And the pot there right just up on the fire with the water. So I'm wait for that to boil up. So in the meantime, I wait for the water on my paper. I'm going to go and clean up my turkey neck. Right? So remember, people, when you're looking about your turkey neck, all the skin have to come off. Understand the people? Not everything gonna come off, but you have to take them off. So I'm trying to very best. If you have a very sharp knife, and you understand, I'm not gonna push it under the skin and cut it off. But you have to be very careful. Okay, so stay tuned. Yes, babe. So ready now for the cornmeal. See pot over here, so my paper. So I have the pimento, my paper, scotch bonnet, pepper, thyme, scallion, and some chopped garlic. See my paper? Don't come here to deal with mixed vegetable. Don't come here, the big are eating on my paper. One pumpkin soup mix. And so I say my people, I have time for gungo and no coconut juice in the evening. Ella big just a run out. So this one of the chicken. Understand me, people? Don't you know, man, run. I'm going to stir up this. Then I pot look colorful already, my paper. Yes, man. Looking colorful. So in the meantime, my paper, I'm not going to waste no time on story. I'm going to put in my cornmeal. See it, my paper? So I'm going to put in the cornmeal. Meanwhile, I stir it. Eat me, pip. This is how we do ton cornmeal. This is how we do ton cornmeal, people. Watch what I want. Eat me, pip. I don't know so that not ready yet. Want more cornmeal. See my paper. So now hold on to my paper. I watch what I want. You see my paper? Yes, my paper. Ton cornmeal with mixed vegetable. A big there in the kitchen, hot in even on my paper. You see this now, my paper? A little bit too soft, so I'm going to put a little bit more. Sprinkle it. Alright. Remember, the people are ton cornmeal and no porridge. You see it, my paper? Yes, my paper. A little bit, I'm going to turn him up and I'm going to make sure I say them green they gone. You understand me, people? Yeah. People are not good enough, my people. Yes, I can't do it, you know. I swear to you, I'm not strong. See me, people? Yeah. So I eat that, my people. What left that is stay. Turkey neck time, you know, people. Eat over there, so turkey neck time. Now season yet, you know, my peeps. Chop up some garlic, my peeps. See it, my peeps. Put up some garlic and some scotch bonnet pepper. Eat my peeps. Time. Nice killing, you know, peeps. Eat my peeps. This man I love it, I match up some food, my people. Watch what going on, my people. I just cook down, you know, with you know, my people. You can get the right seasoning. Remember the same season, my people. I'm on some jerk season mixed up with all type of thing, you understand? Experimental drop out tight, my people. Run on some brownie, my people. It. Yes, that's it. Now carry this to the pressure cooker, my people. Heat my pip, so I'm going to stay still my pip. Heat my pip. Turkey neck that I go pressure. So no don't move in a people. Go cover it up. I'll show you what I go on with the cornmeal. See my paper. Yes man. Done cornmeal my people. Season corn my pips. You want to cut up some season my people. The turkey neck, you know, understand the people? So these are the Irish, you know, people, you see it? Irish at my pip. Cut up the Irish, my people. Put a little sharp knife. And so I do my Irish people that design that here. If you don't want to know if you do that part, you have to text me down in the comment section. Or when you punch in my Instagram name. Ella Biggs is the Instagram name of people. And it is my name. Same way anyhow you want to take it. Come on, big. Take my pep. This are the onion. The onion, so don't know. One max up the season as me say. Gonna stay tuned and soon see the rest of the thing. Yes, the people, so see the season of the turkey neck. Sweet my pep. Yeah man. So remember we have a one broad bin. And the pressure cooker there, so I go and work. But I go lock it off, you know, my people. And see what I'm going in there. See my paper, see that? Turkey neck ready. See my paper? Turkey neck ready, my people. Yes, turkey neck ready, my people. Man, turkey neck well cooked, my people, so see season and no. See my people? See that, me peep? God. Good. Stew turkey neck, me peep. Well cooked. Yes, me peep. So now go keep stirring, cause we mash up, you know, me peep. So watch out, go on, me peep. See, cornmeal already, and now wait. So you see, next move on this. Alright, me hear no. Me never have to say 40, me tap at 39. Me hear what you say loud and clear. 4 times. Yes, people. Telling us 4 times, you know, so see it? Don't cornmeal, me people. Yes, me people. I don't see it, me people. Who wants some of me turn cornmeal? You tell me down in the comment section. And people, please remember, thumbs up my video. Okay, as I will do the same for you all. Okay, so now watch on go on, my peep. See it, my peep? That a me turn cornmeal, you know, the people. And me a go over the turkey neck pot. Turkey neck, you know that. Ella Bigs, they are cook turkey neck. Hold on, people, I'm doing something now. Don't move. You can see this is what I'm supposed to do. Just shift that there. Okay. Now I'm ready. See, peep? I'm ready. Ready like Freddy. Don't know a food time, you know, happy time. See, beep, beep. That's me there. I don't need more than that. So don't know no people. As I say, no worry yourself about it. Blending at just the time. You have a 1 grape drink, which is a icool Alaska. See it, my people? Yeah. So that me go drink and eat some ton cornmeal and turkey neck. Okay. So I look for your fork, so see me and my paper. So I don't know. Yes, the paper, so I done cooking also. I pour out my icool. Grape icool. This is a nice flavor that I love, people. You see it? Yes, my peep, so I eat up some food, you know, my peep. So this are the bean them, you see it, my people. Love broad bean, my people. One thing when the people call me all eating and hot. So I don't know what I look for no pork up mouth, you know, understand? Just I make you see one go on and just a freestyle with the plate. Lord Jesus, the amount of heat we have come off of it. Yes, my peeps, so I don't know. I know my routine and my rules and my line up. I get to you, but to grow with manners and respect and principle. You understand the people? I don't know how table manners go. So, all you for love, all you for respect, like, subscribe, share, and thumbs up the video, my people. And link down in the comment section if you don't want chat to Ella Biggs. You don't understand Pato style, chat to me. I'm out.